Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common networking problem that can leave you scratching your head. Picture this. You try to troubleshoot connection issues within your home network, so you turn to using Netcat to check if two machines can communicate over UDP on a specific port. The problem arises when you notice that while the receiver displays the message just fine, the sender gets stuck and doesn't complete the command, leaving you in a loop of frustration. What's going on here? Let's talk about the solution. The key lies in understanding that even though UDP is connectionless at the protocol level, a UDP socket can still be connected to, which essentially binds the socket to a specific remote address and port at the OS level. When the receiver receives the first packet, it calls connect to lock onto that flow, while the sender creates a new socket each time, leading to the issue you're experiencing. To fix this, you can try using socat UDP recvrom, or specify the source port every time you run the sender process with NCUP 12345 DST port. In summary, the problem you're facing with Netcat and UDP communication stems from how the sockets are handled, causing the sender to get stuck after the first message and creating a loop of incomplete transfers. By understanding the concept of connecting a UDP socket and making some adjustments to how you set up the sender process, you can overcome this hurdle and ensure smoother communication testing in your network. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Maybe your network has its own quirky communication stories to share.